So, hello everyone and welcome to Ravi's Space. So, this is my first introduction video, and if you clicked and stopped to this video, it's a miracle because it's my first video, so it's next to impossible to go to you, okay? But thank you so much, and I hope that you're going to stop until end. So this is an introduction video, so I'm going to introduce a lot of thing about me, and the main thing is I'm going to share what exactly I'm going to do in this YouTube channel, okay? So that you can expect something. By the way, I don't want any expectation, but still, we are humans and we will do that no matter what. It's by birth inbuilt thing. So yeah. So, my name is, I'm not going to share it because I also don't know why I'm not going to share. Not now, maybe in future, yeah. I'm in my 20s and I am Indian, as you can see already, I guess. And I'm in Germany from last 2 years. And I was a sports person in my few years back, but because of bigger injuries, I just stopped it because it was like a life-taking injury, according to doctors, I guess. And then I started a new life. So in my life, it's not just a sports, but in my life, so many things happens. I'm not going to complain for that because I already did a lot without camera. So I just trying to be a little bit mature. Yeah, so many things happen, and right now I'm in my that phase of my life where I'm questioning myself. Like, I already questioned a lot, but nowadays I'm getting a little bit of answer and understanding myself, who I am, why I am, why with me, why not with me. Like, do you understand me? And I had before this things that, why just me? Like, why? Feeling unique is good, but feeling unique in a negative way is not good. And I was that second person who was feeling unique in a negative way. And then I realized that there are 8 billion people in the world, and I know that I'm not that unique, that I'm not going to be the only one. So I thought, like, let's speak up, let's be me, let's just talk. So what I'm going to do in this channel is I'm going to share myself. Like, I'm going to share my own reality, like my own thinking, my own thought processes, my own learnings, my own mist I make in my brain, like my own questions. That questions can be sometime mature and deep, and you will think like, oh really, yeah, that's something, yeah. But sometimes it's going to be so silly that you're going to like, I just shared my meme or what? I'm going to beep it. Even though I promised myself that I'm not going to edit the video because, let me share this first. First of all, I have no structure, like how to start and how to stop, to be very honest, as I want to learn, and I'm going to learn when time goes. I'm going to learn. As you can see, it's an introduction video, but I think it's already reached some minutes. I started my YouTube channel in 2020 in COVID time, and I had like more than 10 channels, and that 10 channel is not the same. I started in a different way. Think maybe I'm this, maybe I'm that, maybe I'm good at this, maybe I'm, and like, out of that 10 which is already executed, proud on me. But there are more 50 channel which is in my books. I have written, I can be this, I can be that. But to be very honest, I didn't know myself. I still don't understand myself. So if you are coming here to understand myself or understand me, you're not going to understand. It's not a challenge, it's the reality. Because until and unless I don't understand myself, how you're going to understand me? Because at one moment I will like this, and at one moment I'm going to like that. So it's not normal. Oh, I'm actually learning in different languages, and then my real accent of English is just ciao. It's okay, everything okay. So what I was sharing, yeah, I had so many channels, and before I started without my face and I just voice, but it was not me, it was not my brain. I sometimes teach how to, like, I came to Germany, so I start teaching what to pack in your bag, what to do. But then I never feel that it's my reality, to be very honest. And to be very honest, I hate to predict, or I hate to not predict, sorry, I hate to pretend. Don't judge my English. You can see how perfect I am. It's okay. Nobody's perfect in this world. So, what I was saying, I hate to pretend, I hate to act. I love to be me, to be very honest. That's what I love. And thank God that I know that now. Before I didn't know that. So, and I just want, my main goal from this channel is to make a community. I do believe on not to just grow but to grow together. I don't want the YouTuber and subscriber relation. I want a community where I'm going to put my questions, where I do believe that there are thousands and millions of people in the world who have bigger brain, bigger knowledge, bigger experience than me, okay? And I'm very open to learn the new things in a positive way, and I'm very open to, even though if it's a brutal truth and if it's going to hurt me, I'm very open for that. But I'm not open for the chaos and not for the negativity in a negative way. You understand me? I'm not here to be get judged or judge you, but if it goes out of the limit, I'm not going to stop myself. I'm going to speak up for that. And I'm not here for any rights or any specific gender or any specific religion. I'm not going to speak anything like that. I'm just going to speak me. Sometimes I'm going to speak something very taboo, which for some people, like not taboo actually for me, but it's going to be taboo for some people. And for some people, they are going to feel very good because they will feel that finally somebody speak up. It's not because I'm targeting them, it's because I want to speak that thing. And I know that you're going to find some kind of similarity at some situation, or at some point of view. So it's okay. We are not going to be very same because not everybody can be twin flame. Even twin flame, I think, don't be so similar, right? Even the I know in Hindi, but I don't know in English what to say. Judwas, they also twins, huh? It's in English only. Twins are also not same, even though they are twins. So how can we expect to be a same? No, it's not going to be. But and the other goal, the first goal is to build community. Second goal, if from my learnings, if from my experience, if from my pain, or if from my happiness, or if from my questions, if something changed in somebody's life, even though if 0.01% in a positive way, I'm going to be the happiest person. As I already mentioned before, that I want to be happy because I have thousand reasons to cry and get depressed and everything. But now I'm finding the happiness. And to be very honest, from this channel, the two biggest thing I want to learn is not to procrastinate, is to actually step up to the things. And second thing is to uh not to be a perfectionist. I stopped a lot of things. I started a lot of things with the biggest motivation, with biggest knowledges, with biggest, like, I can do it, with the biggest fires, like, but it never stays. It's just because I always want to be a perfectionist. If YouTube, a great video should be great quality, great editing, everything. If it's something I'm learning in my personal life, something for me or for my career, still I stop because I always want to be a perfectionist. And that's where I learned one thing, that this channel is going to be real me. So that means, excuse me, again, excuse me. In this channel, I'm not going to edit anything. I'm just going to be consistent. I'm going to be speak up. Yeah, I'm going to sometime beep if something it's too much for me also. Or something if I don't want to share, and if I just pick up with the flow. I love to talk, as you can already understand by now if you are still in the channel video. Okay, I hope that I make myself understand what's my goal from the YouTube channel, this channel. And I hope and I wish that this channel stays with me for a longer and longer time, because that's my goal. And have a big community of positive, brainful, happy people. Not because you are happy, but you're going to be happy. So yeah. And we are going to do a lot of challenges also together for good habits, like maybe going on a walk for 30 days, or something I really want to grow in my, like, something, a good habit I want to build or upgrade in my life. And I feel that it's going to be good for others. I'm going to start it together, maybe waking up early, or I don't know, cooking or something. Okay, I have no plans for that. I really don't have any plans. I just starting because now I stopped myself and judged myself a lot. I did a lot of thing. Now I just want to step and actually do it. This because this is what I feel, and I'm the person who don't go through too much logical, or I'm the person who is too much emotional, and I have thousands of emotion which I think that emotions don't even have any name specifically for me, because I already told you I don't have the biggest brain in the world. So yeah, but I am that type of person. I love to understand the people, and I also love if people understand me. Obviously vice versa. And I do believe on my guts feelings than more logical things. I know you're going to judge me for that, but please, if you're judging, just stay within you. Don't express it. This is not something should be expressed, okay? I also judge people. I do judge people. But sometimes I just try to say myself, come on, you should not say this. It's going to be bad. Because I respect them, even though I don't know them, because I know they are humans. They have heart, which is beating no matter what gender they are. And everybody have emotion, even though you're going to accept it or not. It is the life's reality. So yeah, and I hope I already expressed myself a lot, and it's for the starting is very good to understand. And let's meet to the next video. If you like this video, that's good. That means we're going to see each other in the next video. Ciao ciao. Have a great, wonderful day, month. I'm very sure, and week also, like great day, week, and months, because month is going to be the biggest space. I'm going to upload at least one video every month. This was my least goal. The best goal is one video 1 week. So all the best to you, because you're going to see me, you're going to listen me. It's the very biggest thing. It's very hard to listen. That's a talent, that's a skill. And all the best to myself, that hopefully this channel is going to be the one I expect for the longer time. And yeah, ciao ciao.